Okay, so welcome to the Global Azure 2023. And in this video, we're going to check how you can easily add your community in the globalazure.net website. So for sure, if you're here, if you check communities, you definitely want to see a pinpoint for your community and, join more than 77 locations currently at the time of recording of this that we already have. Hope that when you're seeing this, you will even see more communities here, and yeah, you just want to add yours. A very short explanation. If you're into Git already, I will just tell you the short version of all of this, and you don't even need to see the video. You fork the repo, you clone your fork into your system, into your machine, you do the updates as we explain in this article, where you can see here, okay, in this link, which leads you here to this page, where we have like detailed instructions on how to do this. That's the short explanation. If you're not into Git, check, this video where we can just very easily explain what you need to do. So there's just a few steps. The first step is go to template here, and under template, we have 3 files here that you're going to need to upload into your community, which is this first data.json. So this data.json, it's really simple, a really simple file. You just need to replace some of the things that you have here, like your community name, which country are you from, if you're using Sessionize, go on Sessionize and get your API ID. This is a way that we have to show your sessions into the globalazure.net global event agenda. So you just update all this. You also need, the address of your location. And to add your location, we just need also the latitude and longitude so that we can add you to the map. So it's really easy. You have even a website, like called latlong.net, I think, or .com, something like that, that easily, you can just check what is the exact latitude and longitude of a pinpoint that you add on the map yourself. So it's really easy. Just add all this in the copy that you're going to have locally for this data.json. Then we have this index markdown. So this index markdown is basically what we can see if we go here to communities and we just open here, for example, Azure Sydney. If we click here to open Azure Sydney, it's loading. This is what you're going to see is the page that this is going to generate. There you go. So took a while to load, but there you go. You just see you have here, hey, we're excited, all that. And you can also add your logo here if you want. And if we let's just see here, for example, this one here, okay, you can see they have like the logo there, etc. So basically it's just to show it here. That's the third. Okay, you just need to add, this is markdown. Okay, nothing fancy, just need to, just change the things that you see here. And of course, look, if you go here, there's this template.png, which is basically the logo of your community. So replace, this PNG with, with that. After you have all those 3 files into your system, you just need to go under code again, open the 2023, because we can be reusing this video in the future. We are recording this in the 2023 event, but if we are in the future, future communities, just use the current year where you are. So let's just open this. And what I need to do now is very easily, just upload the things into a folder here. How do we do this? So let's check it out. So let's go back here into code. So let's fork. That's the first step that you need to do. So let's just click here. See on the top there. I know, just press fork. That's basically it. And when you do that, you just need to select here one of your organizations where you want, to fork that. Let me see what I can use. Let's just use this one here. Just keep the name, I know, communities. Probably you don't have a repo with that name, so you should be fine. If not, just, change that to something meaningful for you. And then just press create fork. When you do that, just takes a few seconds. You're going to have your own copy of that repository under your account. Now that you have that, you can go to 2023 and you can just say here, hey, add a file. And I'm not going to create new files. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to upload, new files in here. So let's just click upload file. So let's go and then let's add the file then. Create new file. The new file, the first one, you need to do it this way. Then we just need to say here, for example, my community. Just replace this, with the community name that we have. And then let's just do data.json. Then, you should have the, the data.json file on your local system. You just copy paste, the code in here, and you just commit this. Then you can add other files. And now that you have here, you already have here, see, your folder, you can just say, hey, upload, the other files, and you can just, easily, for example, let's go here, Global Azure, and I can just easily upload the index and, the name of the picture that you have for your community, the logo that you have. And you just do those two, and you also commit those two files into the repository. And there you go. So now just check 2023, just check here. Oh, my community. Okay. And I can see those 3 files in there. So that means, yeah, I'm all done. I have uploaded everything in here. So now I just need to do one last step, which go to pull requests here on the top. And under pull requests, you're just going to create a pull request. So it's really simple, green button here, again, new pull request. And this will just tell you that, hey, look, this is the changes that I have here, just, yeah, those are the files that I have changed. Good, that's what I want. And you just say, hey, create the pull request. Just give it a title, adding my community, and then if you want, you can just just leave a comment here for one of the reviewers. Okay, just leave a nice comment here. Okay, and then just click create a pull request. I'm just going to just put here something that you should not put, because this is live, by the way. Okay. I'm just going to put here ignore, ignore, so that if one of the other members of the team sees this, they know that they should ignore this one here. Was just for the video. I can just leave here just for the video. And then, just click create a pull request. And if we wait a second on this, there you go. It is done. And this is, you should not see anything more. I have this merge because, I have rights on the on that repo, so I will be able to see this. But right now, if we go under communities and under pull request, you will see yours there by, your name on this. And of course, now look, someone from the team will open this, we'll check here, file changes, and we'll just check, okay, seems to be all right. And we will just approve this. Or, we are going to ask you for changes because, oh, sorry, Tiago, we're still missing, this here, or this is not right. Just edit the files again, and you should be good. And if you need help, look, we are all a community. Just ask for help. Not everyone is versed in Git and GitHub. We know that. We're here to help you. So just don't leave your community out just because you don't know how to do this part. If you need help, just ping me. Just ping me online. Tiago Costa, that's my name. and I will help you. I can even add your community here if we need to do that. Okay, no worries. And that's it. This is how easy it is to add a community in the globalazure.net. So see you, and I hope to see your pinpoint there.